Really?
Welcome back to my channel. Hang on, let me turn off this volume. There we go. So the story behind Sorry Mom is that, well, he didn't want to eat his broccoli, so he flipped it, got in trouble, and now he's running away from his mom.
Stop right there!
I thought I took off this volume. Oh well. But she says stop right there at the beginning, and then once you get hurt, you'll see what she does. But once you get hurt, she says something as well. It's not bad, so don't worry about it. So basically all you do is tap like a...
Are you okay, honey?
Yeah, they say that.
Stop right there!
So basically what they...
Are you okay, honey? Stop right there!
So basically what you do is you press this button and then you move. It's like Crossy Road, but like a harder version of it.
Are you okay, honey?
It's a harder version.
Stop right there!
Oh my gosh. It's a harder version of Crossy Road. And if she gets close to you...
Are you okay, honey? Stop right there!
So anyway, you got to get as far away from her as possible without getting hit by a boat, by a plane, by a car, by a sled, whatever it is that you can't be hit by. So, that's basically what it is. I'm gonna try beat my best. See, there's planes, and that gets it even harder.
Are you okay, honey?
So yeah, that's literally what Sorry Mom is. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode. You can get this on the Play Store. Like and subscribe, and bye. Love you.